All right, we got John's truck here. Did some bolt-on stuff. Well, Jeff did some bolt-on stuff. I did the wiring, and then what are we not supposed to talk about? Ran away.
Oh,
don't tell the wife.
Hey guys, Jeff, Retro Rides. Working on the 69 Crush. This truck's supercharged. It's got a bunch of cool parts in it. Full ride tech, 700 overdrive, and PROCHARGED. He's been kind of fighting some stuff with it, and decided to go a whole new route. So we're gonna stuff a 400 in it from Blueprint, and he's changing the fuel injection on it. Instead of doing the throttle body fuel injection, he did Edelbrock multi-port fuel injection on it. This motor made somewhere in the neighborhood of 550 horse NA. He should be up around 600 with the pressure that he's going to be putting to it. So it's all head studded. It's all been pre-run on a dyno tune. Not with this setup, but this is a self-learning Edelbrock. I haven't done one of these yet, so it'll be kind of interesting to see how it does. So it's got the raised runner intake and all the injectors. This thing comes with 40-pound injectors in it, and we're going to change those to 60 and hope for the best. Should be good. Things should rip. Right now it's just got a 350 in it, Vortec 350, and he's running like 10 pounds, maybe 12 pounds, something like that. Sounds good, but it's going to sound much better. Stay tuned for that. Got the motor put back in, and everything's all hooked up. New headers and supercharger. Well, the charger's the same charger, but did new ceramic coated headers on it. We moved all the AC lines and coolant lines. They were just kind of draped on the fender, so built new lines with 90s on them, so they go around the inner fender. And then, yeah, we're just waiting on wiring right now. So Jeremiah's got it kind of lined out. He's working on another project right now, but once he's done with that, he'll get on this thing and get it all wired up. We'll see if it can make some noise. So kind of curious to see what it sounds like.
So I'm wiring up the EFI system right now. It's got like a Edelbrock Pro Flow 4. So yeah, put it in the harness, ran it, and then I'm running power and ground wires, trigger wires for the fan relay, and wiring up the fuel pump relay right now. So all that, the electronics will be tucked under the dash and out of sight. This is what I'm in trouble sounds like.
Want to set the idle up just a little bit?
Yeah, we can do that.
Is it at 750 still?
Yeah, I think that's what it's.
Maybe go to 800.
And then probably have to adjust the idle screw to bring it up to that. Can you read it? You just hand it to him. You just adjust it until it sits at 850 or whatever we set it at.
I clicked the button in accident.
Oh. There we go. So anyway, spicy C10, bright orange, PROCHARGED. What more do you want? Let's go take it for a drive. I don't know how long of a test drive I need to do. All right. It's probably 600 right now. I didn't even look to see how much boost we were making. Jesus Christ. Oh wait, that's negative? What the Hey, aggressive.
Because I know that other tune has to be, that other software has to be